see me popping, I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotted. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I don't mean it this far. I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, but you gonna be sorry.
Excuse me. I'm in Dollar Tree because we're going to the beach, and my nephew was coming, and I wanted to get him a little bucket so we can play in the sand. Yesterday, my niece had a hair appointment, and when we got there, the people were there to cut off their power. So I was like, what kind of business is going on here? We waited outside the house. We didn't go back home because her appointment was so close, and then we waited around for it, and then the power was out. And then he asked her to reschedule, and then he'll take some money off, but I was like, nah, homegirl. Oh, they have a blue bucket back here. These are pretty big though. It comes with a little shovel. I'm gonna get this one because these don't come with a shovel. Yeah, we'll get one of these. Auntie is not coming empty-handed. Oh, we don't do that. It's the outdoor sand toys. Like 2 shovels in here. I think I'll get this too. Dollar Tree already has fall stuff out. Y'all know fall is my favorite season.
I have none right here.
I can use these for my couponing organization. Stackable baskets for $5. Storage totes. It's a pretty good size. These planters are so cute. I love this one. Baked over fear. And it's cute too. Rejoice always. Let me know if y'all want to walk through Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree is the best. It's so organized. We're back home, and I'm about to groom Graham a little bit, like his face. I've done it like 3 times already, and he hates it. But we really like when his fur is like, he looks like a teddy bear. So he hasn't been to the groomers. We wanted his hair to grow out, but now he can't see. So I'm going to like cut around his face a little bit, get some of the hair off. Oh, I'm forgetting. I meant to grab the little green machine because Graham, again, we let him free around the house because I was just trying to see, you know. I told y'all we've been putting him inside of the gate when we leave, but we wanted to try it out. And guess what he did? If you've been watching it, you already know. Caught his little leg up and peed on the side of my couch. Get a dog, they said. Set me up. We gotta cut some of that hair off your face. And then Brian's gonna bathe you when he gets home. Deal? Are you gonna be good? Are you gonna let me cut your hair? It's not that much. Not that much, Gummy. I got his towel. I'm gonna put it on the floor so all that hair doesn't get everywhere. His comb used to be my comb, but I ain't using that no more. These scissors used to be my scissors, but I ain't using that no more. One of Brian's old trimmers that I use for Graham. So I'm gonna put this on the floor. You ready, Gummy Gums? Are you ready? Yes? Yeah! I love that you are so enthusiastic.
You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look to you. Come here, 'cause it's love. Hold you for a night.
I'm back, baby. I'm back, baby. Now you can see. Show them. Oh, Graham. Oh, Graham. Look at you.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Y'all can add dog groomer to my list of things that I know how to do. I get better and better with time. The first time I kind of jacked it. Hi, Marty.
Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. What?
Hi. Auntie, miss you. We're about to go on a boat ride on Brian's uncle's boat. He's coming to pick us up. It's currently raining while I'm doing this voiceover, so if you guys hear anything in the background, that's what that is. But we had so much fun on the boat ride. We were out there for about an hour, y'all. Yes, an hour out there. You guys know I have motion sickness, but I didn't care. I wanted the experience. We grabbed something to eat at Mickey D's, and we headed to the beach because we were not done enjoying our day. Y'all, I'm holding all of this stuff and trying to get some content for y'all, okay? If y'all could like the video, I greatly appreciate it. Such a beautiful day. Come on, mommy. Woo!
He's gonna look at too.
Bobby, look. Look at that, look at baby.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know. Cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl, let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable.
Hey y'all, I'm back. We're about to go get our foot detox.
Oh
Hello. Good, how are you?
no. Okay.
So choose a chair. These are the colors of like what the water turns to. So mine is like brownish, and that is lungs and cellular debris, smoking, exposure to secondhand smoke, or other forms of air pollution. I don't smoke, neither am I around anybody that smokes, so I don't know. We'll see. Do I have any heavy metals? This looks so nasty. This is where we are. If you guys live in Pensacola, it's the Old Time Remedies on the 9 Mile Road in Pensacola. Here's the number. They gave us some water. It's really good too.
Go ahead, I'm going straight. I ain't finna waste that detox.
What do you want to do?
Nothing but water.
We have to find a place in Tallahassee that does this. Or we can buy our own. They sell it on Amazon. And this costs $25, by the way. Alright, y'all, we're done.
Oh, the case right there.
Oh. I thought I had lost my case to my camera, but I left it in the car. So we're done, and we got some information. Y'all, that was so nasty looking. What was the thing about the tuna?
Yeah, we shouldn't be eating tuna.
We shouldn't be eating
Well,
as
the
much
big
tuna
fish.
as we eat. Not the big fishes. She said the little fishes.
Oh, fine.
The herring, we've never even
Minnow,
had that. So I have to.
Tadpoles, all that good.
Tadpole? I'm not eating no tadpoles.
Yeah, baby
People eat
frog.
tadpoles?
No, there ain't no tadpole.
Just a question. No question is a dumb question.
Yeah,
So I feel good. How do you feel?
I feel good too. Feel it all over my body.
We're gonna come back. They gave us this card when you come 7 times. Well, when you come 6
I
times,
think my other card in
your
the house.
7th time is free. I don't think that's any good. We haven't been
They
in like
don't know.
5 years. So Brian had the lymphatic.
I had lymphatic.
So-
I had some of everything. Red,
I didn't have
black
lymphatic.
flakes.
I've been doing research on lymphatic drainage, like draining it, and that's one of the reasons why I started to walk, and I didn't have that in my water, so that made me feel good because I'm on the right track.
Yeah, that's what they say.
Yeah, so I've been getting those 2 miles in.
I get my stuff in, but why it wasn't coming out? We
So-
need to buy one of them for the house, man. That was $50.
Yeah, we should. I mean, it was worth it.
Yeah, it was worth it, but we could do it cheap
You
at
right.
the house.
I'm down. I'm always down to do something myself. Where we're going now? Go get
Maria's.
something to eat. We made it to Maria Seafood.
Oh, I gotta wear my
Ooh
mama's
wee. Brian got 2 pounds with the Old Bay butter. It smells so good. We're about to walk the pier. I didn't even eat all of my food. I got a pound. Brian got me a pound. I didn't eat it all. Saved some from my mom. We're gonna walk the pier. It's so beautiful.
This is, hey, put the camera on me. Get the water in the background.
Okay, the water in the background. Okay. With the shrimp juice on your shirt.
This is my home.
You sound so proud to be home.
I am. Show them the boat. Show them the boat.
These boats are way bigger than the boat we got on yesterday.
You can live on these boats.
Way bigger. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I certainly enjoyed vlogging it. So thank y'all so much for watching. Leave any kind of emoji of what you saw in today's video. Of course, leave those sunflowers down below because we are still blooming. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.